Advanced laser guides ensure perfect alignment as the titanium carbon fiber is prepared for machining into critical aerospace components.
Readings on point 47 are stable.
Confirmed. Deviation nominal.
Verification complete. Proceeding with process A.
The robust AGVs ensure a continuous flow of the pre-processed copper wire bundles to process B.
Check the insertion loss on bus segment 4.
Looks good. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready for termination.
Check the routing near the Avionics bay connection.
Looks clear. Securing the Martin Baker harness now.
The UV lamps initiate rapid polymerization, transforming the liquid epoxy into a durable solid, essential for the F-2B's data bus.
All personnel clear the frame. Initiating static load test sequence 1.
Sequence 1, nominal.
All 45 steps for Process A are finalized and logged.
Confirmed. Manufacturing is suspended in this zone. We are clear for Process B.
We have micron level deviation here.
Actuators engaged. Alignment verified. Green status. Go ahead with the torque check.
35 inch-pounds indicated. It's aligned and secured.
Expiration dates are good. Scanning complete.
All right, sealing the module now. Tamper tags engaged.
All manufacturing and test data is verified, engineer.
Looks good. Applying digital signature now. Seat is certified.
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good.
Securing bracket C-4.
Pressure holding steady at maximum delta.
Confirmed. Decay rate is 0. Another successful seal integrity test.
Robotic arms equipped with specialized cleaning pads meticulously wipe down the matte black exterior of the Dassault.
Scanning initiated. Read complete. Verified. Fully integrated Dassault Rafale cockpit module. Traceable digital record established.
Module descending. Speed nominal.
Confirmed. Alignment holding steady at Bay 2.
Laser alignment shows perfect synchronization.
Confirmed. The structural connection is secure.
Excellent work. Proceed with the final seal.
module is clear of the transport cradle.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to integration stand.
Check alignment. We are drifting slightly to port.
We are clear for lowering. Monitor hydraulic pressure.
Roger that. Alignment indicators are stable. Engage sequence.
Integrated modules online. Engine parameters stable. Communications check. Final confirmation, systems are go.